In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quick link tiles in Zen Browser. If you've opened a new tab in Zen and noticed there aren't quick tiles by default, don't worry, there's a simple workaround that gives you the same experience. The best way to do this is by using a new tab extension that replaces the default page with a customizable dashboard where you can pin your favorite sites as tiles. Start by opening the extension store your version of Zen supports. Many Zen builds are compatible with the Firefox add-on site, and some support the Chrome Web Store. If you're unsure, search for Zen Browser extensions or go to the browser's add-ons or extensions section from the menu to open the correct catalog. Once you're in the store, you'll look for a new tab replacement extension. There are several solid options. Infinity New Tab offers a classic speed dial grid with lots of customization. Speed Dial 2 gives you a clean, organized layout with folders and quick access. Momentum focuses on a calming, minimalist dashboard with a beautiful background and a prominent search and focus area. Any of these will let you create shortcut tiles. Choose the one that fits your style and needs. Click Install or Add to Browser on your chosen extension, then confirm any prompts. After installation, the extension will automatically replace your new tab page. You'll typically see a welcome screen or a quick setup flow. If you're asked for permissions, accept them so the extension can take over the new tab page properly. Now it's time to add your quick link tiles. On most dashboards, there's a visible plus button or add shortcut option. Click it, paste or type the website URL you want to save, and give it a name if you'd like. Many extensions pull the site's icon automatically, and some let you pick a custom image. Repeat this for all the sites you visit most frequently: email, work tools, news, or streaming, so everything is one click away. Take a moment to arrange your tiles. You can usually drag and drop to reorder them, group similar sites together, and rename any that need a clearer label. If the extension offers layout or theme settings, adjust the grid size, spacing, and background to make the page feel comfortable and easy to scan. The next time you open a new tab, your shortcuts will be right there, ready to go. That's all you need to add quick link tiles in Zen Browser. Install a new tab extension, let it replace the default page, and add your favorite sites as tiles. Enjoy the faster, cleaner workflow.